In this video, you'll learn how to convert a Python 2 project to Python 3 using Claude Code. By following these steps, you will successfully migrate your project and ensure compatibility with the latest Python version. To begin, open PowerShell or terminal on your computer. Once the command line interface is active, navigate to your Python 2 project folder. You can do this by typing C path to Python 2 project and pressing the Enter key. This command will change the directory to the specified path, allowing you to work within your project. Next, initialize Claude Code for your project. Enter the command Claude init and hit Enter. This action sets up Claude Code to manage the migration process for your project, preparing it for the steps ahead. After initialization, it is time to analyze the project. Type Claude analyze-python version and press Enter. This command will detect that your project is currently using Python 2. It will also identify any syntax issues, library dependencies, and features that need to be converted, which is crucial for a successful migration. Once the analysis is complete, prepare a migration plan. Enter Claude prepare-target version 3 and hit Enter. This command creates a safe plan for converting your code, updating libraries, and adjusting syntax to ensure compatibility with Python 3. Following the preparation by typing Claude migrate and pressing Enter, this step converts your Python 2 syntax to Python 3. It also updates deprecated functions such as print statements and range while handling basic type hints and modern library imports where possible. After the migration is executed, it is essential to install or update any dependencies. Use the command pip install-upgrade-r requirements.txt quote and press Enter. This ensures that all libraries used in your project are compatible with Python 3, which is vital for the functionality of your migrated code. To verify the migration, enter Claude Review and hit Enter. This command will flag any code lines that need manual fixes, such as those involving dynamic typing or custom behaviors specific to Python 2. Addressing these issues is necessary for a smooth transition. Finally, finalize the migration by typing Claude commit migration and pressing Enter. This command marks your project as fully converted to Python 3, completing the migration process. You can now run your project with the updated Python version. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.